To remain updated with the latest business news, click on the bell icon.
कर्नल बिकुमाला संतोष बाबू ने शत्रु का मुकाबला करते हुए असाधारण वीरता, अनुकरणीय नेतृत्व क्षमता एवं अद्वितीय कर्तव्य परायणता का परिचय दिया एवं भारतीय सेनाओं की उच्चतम परंपराओं के अनुरूप अपना सर्वोच्च बलिदान दिया। स्वर्गीय कर्नल बिकुमाला संतोष बाबू की पत्नी,
his wife Santoshi and his mother Manjula,
श्रीमती बिकुमाला मंजुला,
receiving his posthumous Mahavir Chakra from the President of India for his dauntless leadership during the terrifying clash with Chinese forces in June 2020. "17 months ago, Colonel Santosh Babu, commanding officer of the 16 Bihar Regiment, had led from the front to evict an insidious encroachment by the Chinese army in Ladakh's remote Galwan River Valley. Colonel Babu, soft-spoken but firm, had exhausted every possibility to calmly persuade the Chinese military encroachers to return to their side. What followed was an unprovoked, hours-long brawl that left 20 Indian men killed in action and nearly as many Chinese soldiers dead too. Stoic and proud in their grief today, both Santoshi and Manjula had calmly spoken about their lost loved one just days after the Galwan clash.
దేశం కోసం నా కొడుకు ఇచ్చిన కానీ తల్లిగా బాధపడుతుంది. ఒకడే బాబు నాకు.
As a citizen of India, as a defense family person, I feel proud of my son. I feel proud of my son.
उनको तो जवाब देना है और जीत के वापस आना है देश में कि मेरा यही.
The brave officer's wife, joined by the families of other Galwan heroes, also visited Delhi's National War Memorial on Tuesday ahead of the investiture ceremony at the Rashtrapati Bhavan. Colonel Santosh Babu had made the supreme sacrifice along with 19 other men from the 16 Bihar and 2 artillery units. Posthumous decorations to the fallen heroes include 4 Veer Chakra and 15 Sena medals for gallantry. The names of Colonel Santosh Babu and his 19 braves were also recently added to the Rezangla Military Memorial in Chushul, Ladakh, a tribute to the manner in which a small force of Indian men staved off a numerically superior and unprovoked Chinese assault, while preserving Indian integrity. As the braves of Galwan received their awards, a second winter has blown into Ladakh, reminding both countries that the world's biggest military standoff continues for 18 months and counting. While troops have since disengaged from the Galwan Valley, the Chinese received an unexpected bloody nose in the Galwan clash, including the death of Colonel Santosh Babu's Chinese counterpart, commanding officer Chen Hongjun, and well over a dozen PLA troops. But the standoff itself is far from over. And the families of those who laid down their lives to preserve India's sovereignty will be watching as this war of giants continues. Bureau Report, India Today.
If you like the video, do like, comment, share and subscribe.